You're doing everything you can to make her happy, but somehow she seems more distant every day. What if I told you that the very things you think are helping your relationship are actually destroying it? In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you the biggest mistakes that are pushing her away and exactly what to do instead. 1. The control problem. Let's talk about something many guys do wrong: being too controlling. You know what I mean? Checking her phone, getting mad when she goes out with friends, or telling her what to wear. Here's the truth. This behavior doesn't make her love you more. It pushes her away. Instead, trust her and give her space to be herself. A happy relationship needs freedom to grow. 2. The communication problem. Here's another big mistake: staying quiet when something bothers you. Maybe you think it's better to avoid fights, but guess what? Those unspoken problems don't disappear, they grow bigger. Try this instead. Talk about your feelings using simple words. Don't say, "You never listen to me." Instead, try, "I feel sad when we don't talk about our day." 3. The respect issue. This one's super important. Stop putting her down or making jokes at her expense. Even small comments like, "You're too sensitive," or "Can't you take a joke?" can really hurt. What works better? Show her respect. Tell her what you love about her. Make her feel safe sharing her thoughts with you. 4. The quality time problem. Stop thinking that watching TV together while scrolling on your phone is quality time. It's not. Real quality time means giving her your full attention. Put the phone away. Look at her when she talks. Do things together that you both enjoy, like cooking, walking, or trying new activities. Now, what you should do. Let's make this super clear. Here's what really works. Talk to her openly and honestly. Show her respect every day. Give her your real attention. Tell her what you love about her. Work through problems together. Give her space when she needs it. Remember this: a great relationship isn't about being perfect. It's about how you treat each other every day. Start making these changes today and watch how your relationship transforms.
Subscribe.